In this video, we'll show you how to install a base mount pull-out bin. The measurements in this video are for a 2x15 litre and 2x20 litre base mount bin installed in a 400mm base cabinet. For all other cabinet sizes, refer to your instructions for dimensions. On the base of the cabinet, start with marking out a parallel line 84mm from the inside edge of the cabinet on both sides. Then, mark out a line 95mm from the front edge of the cabinet as shown. Pre-drill 2 holes using a 2mm drill bit to a depth of roughly 2.5mm where the lines cross. Now, align the bin frame and brackets with the pre-drilled holes. Fix the bracket to the frame and base using two 25mm wood screws through the bracket's centre hole. Ensure the bin is aligned straight in the cabinet and fix the back two brackets through the centre hole with two 25mm wood screws. Further secure the bin frame and the brackets to the cabinet using 16mm wood screws. Slide the two back catches of the bin lid into the supports at the back of the frame. The two small front catches should now fit into the front supports. Place the bins into the frame to complete the installation. Your base mount pull-out bin is now complete.